Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure both devices are ready. Open the Google Home app and confirm the speaker is online. This lets the app detect Bluetooth mode. On your iPhone, turn Bluetooth on in settings so the phone can find new devices. Once done, tap the Google Home device card in the app. This begins device-specific controls. I'm guiding you to the pairing flow now because initiating from the Home app ensures the speaker is discoverable and ready for iPhone connections. You'll next enter the audio settings to enable pairing mode. In the Google Home app, open the device settings, find audio, then paired Bluetooth devices, and choose Enable Pairing Mode. This tells the speaker to broadcast its Bluetooth name. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth screen is open so it scans immediately. This reduces wait time and accidental connections. When you see the Google Home name appear on your iPhone, tap it. That action completes the handshake. Your phone and speaker exchange profiles and set up the audio route. You should now test playback so you know audio goes to the Google Home. Play music or a video and listen for sound from the speaker. That confirms the connection. If it fails, reboot the Google Home and your iPhone and try pairing again. Restarts clear temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, remove the speaker from paired Bluetooth devices in the Google Home app and repeat pairing. Resetting the speaker's Bluetooth list often resolves persistent conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.